Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best decisions for your wallet and your home. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums with a showdown between the Lefant M210 Pro and the Roborock Q5 Max Plus. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be a wild ride. All right, let's talk price. On the left, we have the Lefant M210 Pro coming in at a wallet-friendly $209. It's like the budget-friendly superhero of robot vacuums. Meanwhile, on the right, we have the Roborock Q5 Max Plus flexing its premium muscles at $599. That's right, folks. For the price of one Roborock, you could almost buy 3 Lefants. But hey, maybe the Roborock comes with a golden dustbin or something. Let's find out. Next up, cleaning modes. The Lefant M210 Pro is like that overachiever in school with its 4 cleaning modes: automatic, planning, fixed point, and edge. It's basically the Hermione Granger of robot vacuums, making sure every corner is spotless. On the other hand, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus doesn't need to brag about multiple modes. It's got 5,500 pi of suction power and a duo roller brush that says, "I'll clean your floors so well, you'll think you've hired a professional cleaner." All right, tech lovers, let's get into the smart features. Lefant M210 Pro connects faster than your Wi-Fi after a reboot with its Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi combo. Plus, you can boss it around using the Lefant app, Alexa, or Google Assistant. Meanwhile, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus is like the Tony Stark of the vacuum world. It boasts a PresaSense LiDAR navigation system, 3D mapping, and multi-level mapping. And yes, it too listens to Alexa, Siri, and Google Home. So, if you've ever wanted to feel like Iron Man commanding Jarvis, the Roborock has got your back. Now, let's talk about design. The Lefant M210 Pro is like a ninja with its super slim 11 inches diameter and 2.99 inches height. It can sneak under beds, sofas, and furniture like it's on a stealth mission. Meanwhile, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus is a bit bulkier, but it's packing serious tech under that chassis. It might not fit under every piece of furniture, but who needs to when you have 5,500 paka of pure cleaning power? Pet owners, this one's for you. The Lefant M210 Pro has a unique suction mouth designed to gobble up pet hair like it's a gourmet meal. It's like the vacuum equivalent of Pac-Man. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus, with its duo roller brush, also takes pet hair seriously. It's designed to minimize tangling, so no more stopping to detangle your vacuum. It's like having a vacuum that doubles as a hairdresser. And finally, the piece de résistance: hands-free cleaning. The Lefant M210 Pro lets you set schedules and forget about it. But the Roborock Q5 Max Plus takes it to the next level with its self-emptying feature. That's right, it can go up to 7 weeks without you having to lift a finger. It's like having a vacuum butler. Oh Jeeves, do clean the floors, will you? Reviewers have a lot to say about both vacuums. The Lefant M210 Pro is praised for its ease of setup, quiet operation, and effectiveness at picking up pet hair, though some users wished it had a map-saving feature. On the other hand, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus is lauded for its smart navigation, powerful suction, and self-emptying feature, though it can occasionally get confused with multi-level mapping. So there you have it, folks. The Lefant M210 Pro is the budget-friendly, nimble ninja of robot vacuums, perfect for pet owners and tight spaces. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus is the premium powerhouse, ready to take on the dirtiest of homes with its incredible suction and self-emptying prowess. Which one's your pick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy shopping, smart shoppers!